Hello students, today we are going to see our second topic from the same chapter, that is phenols. First of all, we will see the definition of phenols, then after that classification of phenols, and then nomenclature and methods of prevention of phenols. Now what are phenols? Here now, the organic compounds in which hydroxyl group is directly attached to the carbon atom of benzene ring structure are known as phenols. Phenols are also known as carbolic acids, phenol, or they are also known as hydroxybenzenes. Here now, we know that OH group, it is known as hydroxy group. If such type of hydroxyl group is directly attached to this benzene ring, it is benzene ring हा OH group आहे. OH group benzene ring ला जर direct attach असेल, that type of the compounds are known as phenols. Here now the structure of the phenol is like, therefore this benzene ring, one of the hydrogen atom, it is replaced by OH group. In this structure now here, this hydroxyl group is directly attached to this benzene ring structure or aromatic nucleus, and such type of the compounds are known as phenols. It is also known as carbolic acid. It is also known as carbolic acid, or here this hydroxy group, it is attached to this benzene ring, therefore it is also known as hydroxybenzene. हे वेगवेगळ्या पद्धतीने अशीची नाव आहेत. फिनॉल्स आहेत, कार्बोलिक ॲसिड आहे, हायड्रॉक्सी बेंझिन आहे. अँड अकॉर्डिंग टू IUPAC system, it is also known as benzenol. Here benzene, it is parent alkane, it is aromatic structure. E of benzene is replaced by OL, therefore it is benzenol. It is also known as benzenol. It is represented by this aromatic ring nucleus. It is represented by AR and it is attached to this OH group like this. They are represented by general formula AROH, as like to that of alcohols ROH. Instead of this R, alcohols मध्ये R म्हणजे alkyl group होता, इथं आता aromatic nucleus आहे. Here it is aliphatic alcohol. Now it is regarding about the definition of phenols. You have to remember that hydroxy group is directly attached to this aromatic nucleus. That type of the compounds are known as phenols. Here carbolic acid, I have given here example, same benzene ring attached to this OH group, or here we can represent like this also, C6H5OH. Molecular formula of benzene is C6H6, but one of the hydrogen atom that is to be replaced by OH group, therefore C6H5 and OH, C6H5OH. Then classification. Now on the basis of number of OH groups, see this one, this hydroxyl groups, number of hydroxyl groups. Again, as like to that of alcohols, phenols are classified as monohydric alcohols. Monohydric alcohols means they contain only one OH group like this. It is beta-naphthol, OH group here. It is phenol. It is beta-naphthol. These are the examples of monohydric alcohols. Mono means one. They contain only one OH group or hydroxyl group. They contain one hydroxyl group attached to the benzene ring. They are known as monohydric phenols. Now dihydric means, di means two again here. There are two dihydric phenols. There are two hydroxyl groups are attached to this benzene ring. Suppose, for example, now here it is a benzene ring structure, and here OH group, if there is another OH group is there like this, it is known as catechol. It is a hydroxybenzene. It is hydroxyphenol. It is a hydroxy derivative of phenol. It is catechol. If this OH group is present here at this meta position, that is known as resorcinol, and if OH group is present here at para position, that is known as quinol. Here it means that another examples like this, OH हा OH ग्रुप कॉन्स्टंट असेल, याची पोझिशन बदलते, आर्थोवरून तो हात आहे मेटल अटॅच केला, इट इज नोन ॲज रिसॉर्सिनॉल. या OH ग्रुपची पोझिशन कॉन्स्टंट आहे. OH ग्रुप हिअर या OH ग्रुपची पोझिशन कॉन्स्टंट आहे, इथं मेटा पोझिशनला OH ग्रुप अटॅच झाला, याची पोझिशन कॉन्स्टंट आहे, इथं OH ग्रुप मी पॅरा पोझिशनला जर झाला त्याचं नाव आहे हायड्रोक्विनोन, और इट इज नोन ॲज क्विनॉल, और इट इज रिसॉर्सिनॉल. These are the examples of dihydric alcohols. Now then, trihydric alcohols. Tri means again 3. See now one by one here. Trihydric alcohols. Tri means 3. The alcohols in which 3 hydroxyl groups are attached to that benzene ring structure are known as trihydric alcohols. Like this OH group here, another OH group is here, and it is OH. हा OH ग्रुप जर नसेल तर इट इज क्युनॉल. पुन्हा हा हायड्रॉक्सी ग्रुप आलेला मेटा पोझिशनला या किंवा 2 दुसऱ्या पोझिशनला, इट इज नोन ॲज 2 हायड्रॉक्सी क्युनॉल, और इट इज नोन ॲज मेटा हायड्रॉक्सी क्युनॉल, और वी कॅन से लाईक दिस हायड्रॉक्सी क्युनॉल. और according to IUPAC system here, it is carbon number 1, carbon number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3 hydroxyl group, they are present on 1, 2 and 4th carbon atom, 1, 2 and 4. Trihydroxy. There are totally 3 hydroxyl group. Therefore, trihydroxy, it is trihydroxy benzene. काही पुस्तकामध्ये तुम्हाला 2,4-dihydroxyphenol असे लिहिलेलं असेल. There is a OH group is present on 2nd carbon atom, another is present on the 4th carbon atom, and remaining structure is of phenol. Therefore 2,4-dihydroxyphenol असं सुद्धा IUPAC ने लिहिता येतं. Then now it is regarding about the classification of phenols. Suppose if the alcohols in which now aromatic alcohols, याच्यापूर्वी आपण ॲलिफॅटिक अल्कोहोल स्टडी केले होते. अरोमॅटिक अल्कोहोल्स आणि फिनॉल्समध्ये डिफरन्स हा आहे, फिनॉल्समध्ये OH ग्रुप डायरेक्ट बेंझिन रिंगला अटॅच असतो किंवा अरोमॅटिक न्यूक्लियसला अटॅच असतो. बट इन केस ऑफ अरोमॅटिक अल्कोहोल्स दॅट OH ग्रुप इज प्रेझेंट इन द साईड चेन like this. The alcohols in which hydroxyl group is present in the side chain of aromatic ring. OH group हा साईड चेनमध्ये डायरेक्ट बेंझिन रिंगला अटॅच नाही इथं. अशी जर कंडिशन असेल, OH ग्रुप थ्रो कार्बन ॲटम दुसऱ्या जर बेंझिन रिंगला अटॅच असेल, तर दॅट टाईप ऑफ द अल्कोहोल्स आर नोन ॲज ॲरोमॅटिक अल्कोहोल्स. इट इज ॲन एक्झाम्पल ऑफ ॲरोमॅटिक अल्कोहोल. And the name of this alcohol is, it is benzyl alcohol. It is a common name, or it is IUPAC name of this structure. It is CH2H, means it is methanol, and to this methanol phenyl group is attached. It is known as phenyl methanol. It is known as phenyl methanol. Therefore, the difference in phenols and aromatic alcohols is that here in phenols OH group is directly attached to the benzene ring, and in aromatic alcohols OH group is present in the side chain of that alcohol, side chain, and such type of the alcohols are known as aromatic alcohols. Now then, nomenclature of phenols. Here in this nomenclature of phenols, according to common name method, phenol, it is a common name of this compound C6H5OH. Common name of this compound is phenol. This phenol name, common name phenol, is also accepted by common name phenol is also accepted by IUPAC method. Therefore phenol हे कॉमन नेम आहे. IUPAC मेथडमध्ये सुद्धा फिनॉल हे नाव IUPAC मेथडनं सुद्धा ॲक्सेप्ट केलेलं आहे. Again here, but according to IUPAC method, parent alkane is benzene, E is replaced by OL. Therefore, according to IUPAC system, it is also known as benzenol. Benzenol, phenol or benzenol, these are the IUPAC names. Phenol, it is a common name. Now the difference between that common name method and IUPAC method is that when we denote the position of that substituent at that time in this common name method, we have to use the prefixes like ortho in short O, meta M, and para in short P. Here, to denote the position of substituents in common name method, we have to use the ortho, meta, para prefixes. But in case of IUPAC method, that is the difference only. We have to use here numbers. We have to start the numbering from this OH group. Suppose the OH group is attached to this carbon atom, we have to give the carbon number. It is carbon number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Like this. Now here, that is the difference, ortho and meta. Here now, suppose I have drawn the structure of this phenol. Here, carbon number 1, carbon number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This second position, it is ortho position. It is the third position, it is a meta position. Fourth position, it is a para position. Opposite to this meta, it is the fifth position. Again, it is meta position, and opposite to the second position, sixth position that is also again ortho position. In this way, these two are the second and sixth position are the ortho positions, 3 and 5 are the meta positions, and fourth is the para positions. Just difference is that only in common name method we have to use the prefixes like ortho, meta, para, and in IUPAC system we have to use the numbers to denote the position of substituents. Now we will see here some examples, like here C6H5OH. C6H5OH. C6H5OH means phenol, that is the common name. Same name is accepted by the IUPAC system, therefore phenol is also IUPAC name. And another, that is also parent alkane benzene is replaced by OL, therefore it is benzenol is also the IUPAC name of that phenol. Then here methyl phenols are known as cresols. Here another example is here, it is a methyl phenol. हा मिथिल ग्रुप आहे आणि फिनॉल आहे, यांना क्रेसॉल्स म्हणतात. दे आर नोन ॲज क्रेसॉल. नाव हियर इन दिस स्ट्रक्चर दिस CH3 group is present at ortho position, therefore it is known as orthocresol. If this CH3 group is present at its meta position, then it is known as metacresol. And if that CH3 group is present at here para position, that is known as paracresol. मिथिल फिनॉल्स आर नोन ॲज क्रेसॉल्स. म्हणून हे आर्थो पोझिशनला CH3 ग्रुप आर्थोक्रेसॉल, CH3 ग्रुप मेटा पोझिशनला आहे म्हणून मेटाक्रेसॉल, आणि इथं CH3 ग्रुप पॅरा पोझिशनला जर असेल तर पॅराक्रेसॉल. और हियर अकॉर्डिंग टू IUPAC system, now here we have to give the numbers to this structure here. Now it is carbon number 1, carbon number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now here CH3 group is present at second position, therefore it is 2-methyl phenol is the IUPAC name of this structure, orthocresol or 2-methyl phenol. Here it is 3-methyl phenol, it is 4-methyl phenol. Suppose the structure is like this. Here now NO2 group is present here, it is a NO2 group is present at para position, therefore it is according to common name method is para-nitrophenol. And as according to IUPAC system, here it is the fourth position, it is carbon number 1, 2, 3, 4, therefore it is 4-nitrophenol. Suppose the structure is like this. Here is OH group and here CH3 groups are present like this at these two positions. Now here we have to give the numbering from this position 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. याचं कॉमन नेम आपण दिलं जात नाही. ज्यावेळेस बेंझिन फिनॉलच्या स्ट्रक्चरवरती एकापेक्षा जर जास्त सबस्टिट्यूएंट जर असतील तर तुम्हाला आर्थो, मेटा, पॅरा हे प्रिफिक्सेस यूज करून नाव देता येत नाही. दॅट इज द ड्रॉबॅक ऑफ दॅट मेथड. आपल्याला कॉमन नेम देता येणार नाही, बट वी कॅन गिव्ह द IUPAC name. Here CH3 group is present at second position, therefore 2. Another methyl group is present at position 6. There are totally 2 methyl group, therefore di 2,6-dimethyl phenol. 2,6-dimethyl phenol is the IUPAC name of this structure. Now then after that, here another structure of phenol is like this. Here again already I have taken here catechol. Here these two hydroxy groups. Here it is catechol. It is hydroxy derivative of phenol. Then benzene 1,2-diol. Here carbon number 1, it is carbon number 2, parent alkane benzene. पण ज्यावेळेस एकापेक्षा जास्त OH ग्रुप असते त्यावेळेस E मात्र रिप्लेस होत नाही, दॅट रिमेन्स ॲज इट इज. बेंझिन, here is the position of first OH group 1, another is present on second 2, therefore benzene 1,2-diol. Here now catechol, here resorcinol, benzene 1,3-diol. Now here it is carbon number 1, it is carbon number 2, it is carbon number 3, benzene 1,3-diol. Here क्युनॉल, ह्या क्युनॉलचं स्ट्रक्चर इथं पुस्तकामध्ये असं दिलं, याला असं सुद्धा काढता येतं. हे OH ग्रुप अपोजिट पोझिशनला आहेत, पॅरा पोझिशनला एकमेकांच्या. OH ग्रुप याला असं सुद्धा काढता येतं, OH. असं जर काढलं तर आपल्या नंबरिंग इथून सुरुवात करायला लागते. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. इट इज नोन ॲज क्युनॉल. तेच नंबर दिले असे 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 क्युनॉल or hydroquinone. These are the common names. And here IUPAC name is benzene 1, first OH group. One of the OH group is present on the first carbon atom and another is present on the fourth carbon atom. Therefore benzene 1,4-diol is the IUPAC name of this structure. Then after that, here another example is C6. Here 3 OH groups are there, OH. Here we have to use the numbering like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is known as fluoroglucinol. It is the common name, fluoroglucinol. And here IUPAC name is benzene. OH group is attached to this carbon number 1, another is present at here at 4th position, and another third one is present at here 5th position. 1, 3, 5. एक OH ग्रुप कार्बन नंबर 1 वर आहे, दुसरा कार्बन नंबर 3 वरती आहे आणि तिसरा 5 वरती. 1, 3, 5. Totally there are 3 OH groups. Therefore we have to use here prefix tri and then OL. Benzene 1, 2, 1, 3, 5 triol. Similarly, one more structure is given here. Here 3 OH groups are present there at adjacent positions. They are 1, 2, 3. It is known as pyrogallol according to a common name system. And IUPAC name is benzene 1, 2, 3 triol. असं जर असेल तर आपल्याला नंबरिंग याच्यावरती लोएस्ट नंबर यायला पाहिजे तो OH ग्रुपवरती. इथून नाही सुरुवात करता येणार, इथून सुरुवात करावी लागेल. 1, 2, 3. Therefore benzene 1, 2, 3 triol. Now it is regarding about the nomenclature of phenols. We stop here. Thank you.